Alright, Queen, so let's get into this hair though. Like, can we just. Alright, Queen, so here is the wig. She feels super soft. Like, she feels really nice. Like, and she doesn't, it's not kinky. It's a silky feel, but it feels very natural, very real. Um, and I have her in a 4, Miss Mina, and she's a human hair blend. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, the drawstrings in the back. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos on this wig, but part of me always feels like, you don't really know until you get it yourself, because some of the YouTubers, sometimes, they're just trying to get paid, and you go spend 40-50 bucks on a wig and then it's trash. So this wig cost $54 at my local beauty supply store. And then yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and put her on, okay? Alright, so I really actually love it, honestly. As you can see, I didn't cut the lace off, duh, but it doesn't go all the way down. It's not completely ear to ear. It kind of stops about here. So leave all this out. The lace is soft. Look at this hairline. There is not a lot of parting space. It's about 2 inches, but it's all over, so you can. This wig's perfect for me because I don't usually part my wigs. I kind of just do this little flip over here and tuck it behind my ear and call it a day. So, alright, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off and put it on, and then be right back. Alright, queens. Sorry. So here she is. This is Mina. Mina is a winner. It's a look. So I didn't. Okay. First things first. Is Mina big head friendly? I didn't adjust the straps. I wouldn't say I have a big head, but it's kind of in between. In between. You know what I mean? It ain't small, but it's perfectly round. So is she big head friendly? So she's not all the way up at the top, but this is her. But she kind of melts right into my skin, and I really love that. So I have my baby hairs come, like, they grow pretty long, so I didn't even do baby hairs on here. I kind of just brushed mine out. But the way this wig is sitting on my head, you wouldn't tell the difference. Like, you wouldn't know. There's that little piece there, but I could do it just like that. Slick them down. So like I was saying before, how it doesn't go all the way to the ends. This is the little flap there. But, I mean, you put a little got to be on there and you'll be fine. And I have you know, sideburns and junk. So it's no hiding it. Just gotta make it work. She's pretty long. She comes to about here under my boobs. And I am 5'7", so it's pretty long, you know. It's rare I find a good wig that actually is pretty long. But she looks so good. Like yes. I'm going to Vegas this weekend. Mina is definitely rolling with me, okay? As far as shedding, I got a few strands, but I did just cut some of the lace. Like some of this, I had to make it shorter. It actually had, for all my queens out there, if you have a widow's peak, Mina's for you. Like, she actually came with a sort of widow's peak, so she was like way up here. So I had to kind of straighten her out. It still comes out a little more. I didn't want to keep cutting at the hair and the lace if I didn't, you know, didn't have to. But if you have a widow's peak, she is going to work for you. Like, I don't know how difficult that is, but yeah. She feels really nice. She feels really soft. Shedding is minimal. Like, if I pull from the back, yeah, I got a couple, I don't know if you can see these, couple strings. Nothing serious, but I'm literally running my fingers through here. Never mind. Uh-oh. Hold up, y'all. Let's try this side. Okay. Alright. Yeah, she's pretty smooth. I'm running my fingers right through here. And, just getting like a couple strands. So it's nothing serious. It's not like really bad, but it is a synthetic hair wig. It is a human hair blend, but it's still synthetic hair. I think the human hair blend just helps it keep it soft. You know, it's soft like human hair, and it honestly feels like I just got my hair pressed. Yeah, it feels like I got my hair just flat ironed, and I think it looks pretty natural, like even without a parting space. So if you were contemplating on getting this wig and you was just wondering, should I get it? Is it worth it? Trust me, I wasn't a believer at first, but I think I am now. I actually really like Mina. I think she's really great. Originally, I wanted her in charcoal, but they're sold out everywhere. Whatever. So yeah. So here she is. If you love her, get her. She cute. She cute. Yes. Okay. Let me stop. So, alright, queens. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this look on my face, stay tuned because I'm actually recording for that one too. But yeah, you know, just remember to never ever let anyone tip your crown. And I love you. Bye.